Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the system font on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So if you want to change the font of the text on your ONYX, then the first thing that you're going to do is go to settings. You can find the settings in the bottom left of your screen with the settings icon. Then go to system display and select system font. And here you have all of the options that you can change. So you can either import a font from a computer or anything else. You just need to have a connection with that. But from the available fonts, you can select all of these. So just once you select the new font by pressing on the circle right here, as you can see, it changes. So let me just select the more noticeable one. There. Now, once it's changed, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.